Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a quick Christmas honeydew project, and it involves using my pop rivet gun. Pop rivets. What does it do? It will rivet or connect two pieces of sheet metal together. And I've got just the project, or I should say my wife has just the project. It's not it's not too bad. The scarf is falling off. She kind of twisted it around to hold it on, but a good wind is going to knock that off. So a quick rivet is going to hold this together. What I have to do is drill a 1/8 hole through it to accept the head of this rivet. I thought I'd go with a number 30 drill, which is 128.5. 1/8 is 125, and a number 30 is 128.5, which gives me a little wiggle room to get that rivet in. Now I think I'm going to use the smallest of rivets, and it just goes through. When I put this gun on top of the rivet, you'll keep doing that until it pops. That's why I guess they get the name pop rivet. That is not going to come off. I hope Santa Claus is happy, and my wife. The first Christmas honeydew.